Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Flex Hose Repair is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any toolbox, but trust me, when a flex hose decides to spring a leak, you'll be scrambling for a solution. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flex hose repair kits, exploring what makes them tick, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your plumbing and automotive systems flowing smoothly. Get ready to say goodbye to frustrating leaks and hello to a hassle-free fix. Number 5. Brass Hose Connector Repair Kit with Stainless Clamp. This repair kit is the perfect solution for your garden hose problems. It's designed to quickly and easily fix leaks, ensuring a tight seal every time. This connector is compatible with any standard 1-2-inch garden hose. It's easy to connect and disconnect, making it a convenient choice for all your watering needs. Made from durable brass, this connector is built to last. The robust construction ensures a long service life, providing you with a reliable solution season after season. The kit is incredibly easy to use and provides a reliable connection. You can quickly repair your hose and get back to your gardening tasks without any hassle. The package includes everything you need for a complete repair. It comes with both female and male connectors, along with stainless steel clamps, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. What we like. This kit boasts a robust brass construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's designed for easy use, making repairs a breeze. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution that's simple to install, this is the one for you. What people say. The repair kit worked perfectly. The design of the repair kit is very effective. It was easy to use and fixed the leak immediately. Number 4. YELUN Garden Hose Repair Kit with Shut-Off Valve. Introducing the YELUN Garden Hose Repair Kit. This kit is designed to fix your flexible telescopic hose. It includes everything you need for easy repair. Made of durable brass, this kit is built to last. It's specifically designed for flexible telescopic hoses, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. Please note that it is not suitable for ordinary hoses. The kit features a large, ergonomic brass handle. This allows you to easily control the water flow with just your fingertips, providing comfort and convenience. This connector is compatible with garden nozzles and other watering tools. It easily attaches to your faucet or spigot, making it a versatile addition to your gardening tools. The kit includes a male end kit with a shut-off valve, clamps, a female adapter kit, rubber gaskets, and PTFE tape. Everything is included to get the job done right. YELUN is committed to customer satisfaction. They offer a 90-day refund policy. If you have any issues, feel free to contact them. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for flexible telescopic hoses, a unique feature. It includes a convenient shut-off valve with an ergonomic handle for easy water flow control. If you have a telescopic hose and value precise water control, consider this. What people say. It took me less than 10 minutes and everything is working great, just remember to cut past the hose area where the leaks are. For way less than a fourth the price of a new hose this kit allowed me to fix it. It's great. The garden telescopic adapter with the shut-off valve was very easy to assemble and works very well with no leaks. Number 3. Twinkle Star Garden Hose Repair Kit. This is the Twinkle Star Garden Hose Repair Kit. It's designed to quickly fix and connect your garden hoses. This kit makes repairs easy and efficient. The kit uses a standard US thread, making it compatible with most garden hoses. It fits 3, 4 or 5, 8 hoses. Make sure you have the right size. The connectors are made of premium aluminum. The clamps are made of 304 stainless steel. This ensures durability and a long lifespan for the product. The kit is easy to install with its threaded design. You can quickly connect and disconnect the hose. It's a simple solution for hose repair. The package includes male and female connectors, stainless steel clamps, and O-rings. Everything you need is included to get the job done. This kit has everything you need. Twinkle Star is committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns about the product, please contact us. We are always here to help. What we like. This repair kit features premium aluminum fittings and stainless steel clamps for durability. Its thread design allows for quick and easy installation. If you like a product that's easy to set up and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. This was an easy fix. It's been holding up for a few months and saved me from buying another $70 to $80 hose. Installation is really easy. Just cut both ends clean, then slip on the hose clamps, then the brass fittings, then tighten down. These connectors worked perfectly to make new ends onto the hose. I slipped the clamp over a raw cut end of the old hose, and easily pushed the connectors into the hose, and I tightened with the clamp with a regular flathead screwdriver. It was very quick and easy. These all work very well, no leaks at all. Number 2. Twinkle Star Garden Hose Repair Kit. This is the Twinkle Star Garden Hose Repair Kit. It's designed to quickly fix and connect your garden hoses. This kit is a reliable solution for your gardening needs. The kit features standard US thread connections, fitting 3, 4 or 5, 8 hoses. The clamps are adjustable, ensuring a secure fit. It's designed for easy connection and disconnection. The connectors are made of premium aluminum. The clamps are made of 304 stainless steel. This ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, guaranteeing a long lifespan. The kit is incredibly easy to install. The threaded design allows for quick and simple connections. You'll have your hose repaired in no time. The package includes male and female connectors, stainless steel clamps, and O-rings. Everything you need is included for a complete repair. It's a comprehensive solution for your hose repair needs. Twinkle Star is committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. They are always ready to assist you. What we like. This repair kit features premium aluminum fittings and stainless steel clamps for durability. Its thread design allows for quick and easy installation. If you like a product that's easy to set up and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. This was an easy fix. It's been holding up for a few months and saved me from buying another $70 to $80 hose. Installation is really easy. Just cut both ends clean, then slip on the hose clamps, then the brass fittings, then tighten down. These connectors worked perfectly to make new ends onto the hose. Number 1. Orbit 56801N 5/8-inch brass hose repair. Is your hose damaged? This Orbit repair mender is designed to fix the ribbed, male end of most 5/8-inch hoses. It's a quick and easy solution. Made with heavy-duty, rust-proof brass, this mender is built to last. You can rely on it season after season, even with regular use. Attaching this mender is simple and takes just minutes. It provides a solid, leak-proof seal, so you can get back to watering without any hassle. This mender is perfect for areas where your hose is dragged across rough surfaces or exposed to foot traffic. It helps to prevent further damage. Remember, this product is designed for cold water outdoor irrigation. Make sure to use it appropriately to ensure its longevity and effectiveness. What we like. This mender is made of heavy-duty, rust-proof brass, ensuring it will last season after season. It easily attaches in minutes, providing a solid, leak-proof seal. If you're looking to extend the life of your hose, this is a great choice. What people say. The Orbit 56802N female hose repair end installed easily in less than 10 minutes on my garden hose and doesn't leak a drop. These replacement ends are metal with compression fittings. They work and look almost as good as original hose manufacturer ends. These ends don't get caught and shouldn't split when it gets cold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.